Hello and welcome to this little introduction to the 109th IUVSTA workshop, the APPEC Technology Forum for Vacuum and Cryogenics, where industry meets academia. The workshop will take place in Maastricht in the Netherlands on November 24 to 26. The workshop is organized for scientists, engineers and students working in astro-particle physics and neighboring fields. Also for experts in the field of vacuum and cryogenics from academia, research centers and from industry. The workshop aims to be a networking event for all stakeholders in the fields of vacuum and cryogenics for the next generation of large-scale experiments in astro-particle physics and neighboring fields in Europe. It is organized by IUVSTA, the International Union for Vacuum Science, Technique and Applications, by APPEC, the University of Maastricht, Karlsruhe Institute of Technology, by NICAV, the German Vacuum Society, and by the Dutch Vacuum Society. The topics of the workshop include invited plenary talks from project scientists and engineers introducing, running and upcoming large-scale experiments in astro-particle physics and neighboring fields. We have topics such as dark matter search, neutrino properties, gravitational wave experiments, new technologies and accelerator technology. We also offer the possibility for students and for experts to submit an abstract for the poster session. And for industry, we offer the possibility to take part in the industry exhibition. We also plan to have 1 or 2 roundtable discussions where all participants can discuss open issues on vacuum and cryogenics. At the end of the workshop, we offer an excursion to ET Pathfinder, a prototype facility in Maastricht for the development of technology for the huge Einstein telescope, the next generation of gravitational wave detectors in Europe. The social program includes coffee and lunch breaks with enough time to visit the industry exhibition and for further networking. During the poster session on Monday evening, we will also serve snacks and drinks for the participants. On Tuesday evening, we will have the workshop banquet. The venue for the workshop is St. Jan's Church in Maastricht, and ET Pathfinder is located at the University of Maastricht. Here you can find the website of the workshop where you can register for the event, and industry partners can also find more information on the possibilities to take part in the exhibition. I hope we can welcome you in Maastricht in November and have interesting discussions.